Today we're going to be putting this drag slick on a riding lawnmower, part 2. So, it's been signed by Mako drivers. It's a Goodyear, and I'm just teasing you guys about it, and it's in a really rough shape, but I got it for $50, so it's a great deal. And so, yeah. And if you guys want me to do a Q&A, comment down below, and I'll do it. And give me some questions to do. And till next time, see you guys later. Peace. And be safe while you're working on the cars. So, bye.